rich man finds financial freedom like a game where speed matters for the players, along with some penalties. The best player gets a trophy. Like every game, to win this money game, you must follow some rules. Only then will you become a champion of this game and achieve financial freedom. Otherwise, you will keep running in the middle-class race. Today, as always, we share with you another valuable video discussing the 7 money rules that rich people follow worldwide. By following these rules, you can achieve financial freedom and financial success quickly. Rule number 1. Focus on making more money rather than saving money. We know you have heard that saving money is the first step to financial freedom. Most people save money by cutting expenses or investing in mutual funds. However, many fail to focus on increasing their income. People get used to their comfort zones, but to drive your dream car at 26 instead of 60, you must focus on boosting your income alongside saving and investing money. Rule number 2. Attract money. Create so much value that money comes to you effortlessly because of your excellence. The more valuable you become, the more people will pay you to solve their problems. Successful, talented, and self-made people can charge thousands for just a short speech because they solve significant problems. Rule number 3. Learn more. Thanks to the internet, you can now watch this video for free. Knowledge only works when applied. The more you learn and apply your knowledge, the more you will experience success. Rule number 4. Start as soon as you can. It's shocking that many youngsters spend 2 to 3 hours daily on social media or games instead of pursuing their dreams. If you genuinely want to be financially successful, don't waste time like others. Follow your dreams and work hard day and night to achieve financial freedom. Rule number 5. Track your money. It doesn't matter if you're a student, job worker, or businessman. Always track your money, budget, and spending. Keep a record of every penny and stay within your budget. Rule number 6. Don't spend unnecessarily. Once you start earning money from your business or job, avoid the temptation to buy thid. Your goal should be to become wealthy, not to appear wealthy. Rule number 7. Always be the master of money. No one likes being a servant, but society conditions people to become servants of money. Avoid taking loans to impress others or fulfill short-term desires. Stay debt-free to achieve financial freedom.